Bird in a Cage. There was a boy who lived in the woods. His name was Ben, and he loved birds. He loved it when they sang. He loved it so much he knew all of their songs. His dad got Ben a new bird each day. He went to the woods with a cage. His dad first got a few, and then got some more. Then all of the birds were in a cage. One day, Ben saw that his new birds did not want to sing. Ben felt sad. Ben went to give them food, but they did not want it. His sad mood grew. Ben asked his dad to let the birds go. His dad knew the birds were sad too. They went with the birds to the woods. They first let a few out, and then more. All the birds flew up in the sky, up and free. They sang once more. Ben loves it when birds sing. He knew they were not sad. They were free. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next story.